The Apple experience with Telstra brings together the best of Telstra Purple and Apple, and customers come into the room and we solve complex problems in the space of a very short period of time using amazing technology.
The Apple experience with Telstra has helped us really challenge and look at what opportunities we can unlock at store. It's given us an unfiltered, direct Apple and Telstra experts working with the field to say what will empower you the most to run the most efficient store possible.
Through the Apple experience with Telstra, you get access to the best mobility experts around the country to come together and solve your customers' challenges and pain points.
So there's 3 workshops that we run through the Apple experience. The first one is called the Mobility Fundamentals Workshop, and it's all about making sure that our customers have the basics in place. The second workshop that we run is called Day in the Life, and that's all about going out and understanding, the different things our customers are doing out in the field and the different challenges that they're having. And get that real intimate understanding of how they're using their Apple devices. And then the third workshop is called Define Your App. And that usually comes off the back of a day in the life experience. And it's taking those challenges out in the field and turning those into applications that they can use on their Apple devices.
The most important people that are involved in the process is the customers themselves.
It was really important that our employees were part of the workshops and feel like they were part of the solution. What a great opportunity to work with 2 massive organisations on a solution for the health and safety of our employees.
So we've got stakeholders from within the customer's business, decision makers, and people that are actually going to be able to help bring our projects to life, but also the people that are going to be using the technology that we're designing. They're in the room and they're co-designing that solution with us.
The Apple experience with Telstra really allowed us to have a stronger focus on the user. That really strong user experience focus is something that we've lacked in the past. Now we've gone from describing things as a minimum viable product to a minimum lovable product, which is all user focused.
The HazChat app has enhanced the way we identify hazards in the field, allowing us to take photos of the hazard and document those. The iPad has provided us a digital solution for all the paperwork that we need to complete on site.
This is something that only through the partnership of Apple and Telstra Purple that we can do for our customers.
The Apple experience with Telstra is something that I would highly recommend. So there's no charge to participate in one of the workshops. You really just need to reach out to either your Telstra account manager or your Apple account manager to book in a session.